just wanted to tell you about the tiny successes in life. It's quite late now, but I've got to show you this. So this is a sash window that was put in 170 years ago in the house, and it's been seized, wouldn't open. We'd batter it, we'd lever it and do all sorts, and I've been spending a bit of time with it. And when you're doing sash windows, so this in here are the weights, and this is the bottom pane, and it operates like an elevator, like a lift. And when you push up on this, the weights go down a channel down here, and to get the channel, if they're seized, to get these off, you've got to take all the moulding off, all the sides, and then get into the channel, and then free the weights off. And of course, these are the ropes for the weights, and these get bunged up and dirtied up and painted and all sorts. So a couple of years ago when I started this job, these were all rotten out, these bottom. These are called muntins, I think. These were all rotted out, and the wind was gusting through the bottom of these panes because this whole piece had rotted out. So what I've done, being an engineer, is I've put a slice of very thin aluminium across there instead of wood, and then reshaped it so it looks like the original sash. But that will never rot now. Now, I'll show you the piece of resistance. This was after about, it was taking me 2 years to finish it, but if I unlock it and show you how it operates now. One finger! Can you believe that? One finger. Now, this bottom piece that was rotted out has got a plate of steel on the back. Now, that's got to be painted yet. It's still naked steel. I'll paint that tomorrow. But that is now my 170-year-old sash window. Small victories make life great. See you soon.